plenty of toys. Which one you wanna open first?
This dump truck.
Okay, let's open this dump truck. So this dump truck is from China, and this dump truck is with remote control, can turn 360 degrees, and it says here it's very powerful truck. I wonder why it's so powerful. Come on, let's open it. Come on, Thaddy, can you open this one?
Help mommy, Thaddy.
Good job. Okay, let's show the kids the remote control. So it's battery operated. Dump truck. There, so you need a screw to open it. It's very nice. This is from China. Can you carry it, Thaddy? Is it heavy?
No, it's not heavy.
It's not heavy, but this is made of metal.
Yeah, but
So with the dump truck, you will put what in here? What are you gonna put in here? With the dump truck, if you want to play the dump truck.
Maybe Legos.
Okay, we'll put some Legos. Okay, we'll do that next time because we need a screwdriver to open the battery. Alright. It's really nice. I'll put here.
Yes.
So which one are you gonna open next?
Mommy, we open this.
Okay, what is this?
Excavator.
This is an excavator. Is this one of your favorite toys?
Yes.
Alright, and this from Hulna again. And same with the dump truck. It comes with remote control. And this is made of metal.
Yes.
Come on, can you open the excavator?
I can open it.
Careful. Slowly. Alright. Oopsie.
Careful.
Come on. So this is the remote control. So the same with the dump truck. We need to put a battery. We need a screwdriver.
We have a screwdriver.
Yeah. And this battery as well will go to the bottom of the dump truck.
But the battery is rechargeable.
Yep, and it's rechargeable, so it needs to be charged. Now with the dump, this is a excavator. I keep on saying dump truck, but this is excavator. Thaddy, so who's gonna sit here?
Yes.
It's engineer.
Yes. How does this open the door? Snake can open the door.
No, we cannot open the door, but I guess this one, when you put the battery on, this one will move, and it will
Dig.
dig down.
And this one, and it, yes. Can this work like this?
Now
Yeah.
you can try that outside
Yeah,
later.
try it outside later on.
And you dig
Okay.
a sand.
This is
That's a massive
so
one, Thaddy.
heavy. Yeah, it's very big. It's a massive one.
Careful.
Careful, you cannot carry that one, Thaddy. I'll
How?
help you. Come on, help together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Be careful. Okay, then the dump truck.
What?
Okay, let's open it.
It's drunk. I can help you.
You help mommy.
Oops, careful, Thaddy. Oops.
What?
Oh, it's a real metal. Oh. Look at that.
Where's the phone? Can this work? So heavy.
Careful, be careful. Okay, let me try it. This is the...
You need to unscrew that, mommy. Just leave that one.
do I need to unscrew it? Okay, how about this? Oh my god, this is
Careful
very
with
nice.
that, Thaddy. That's very heavy.
Very heavy. And this is the...
Pallet.
are the pallets.
And you can put this in here. You want to put in here and put in. Oh, what's that for?
So this is where, this is a hook to...
Yeah, you need to attach that one here, mommy.
Yep.
Oh, no.
Does it, can we do this? No. This is so heavy because this part are all metals, including this two
Four.
Yeah.
In there.
Yes. This is the pallet. There are two pallets.
Yes, you can put in the dump truck.
Yeah. I think it can carry over
You can put.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. For the meantime, we'll just put it here, like that.
And
Same with the other toys.
in this
And then
pallet.
we will assemble later.
I love pallet. And next is a
What's that? The
crane.
crane.
You have a crane from your work.
That's a tower crane.
Wow, this is a big crane. There's no crane from my work. There's lots of crane in the field where they're building houses or
Excuse me,
building.
I see the crane from your work to build.
Yeah, from my work going home, you see people building a
Huge building.
yeah, houses. So they are the engineers, they are working on it and they're using this crane. It says here professional crane model. Tower crane.
Excuse me, it can. Oh, it's heavy. It's expensive. It's expensive. Expensive.
Doesn't say anything.
It's one.
So
it's
this
made
one
of
comes
metal.
with remote control as well. Yes, it's made of metal. So it says here unlimited rotary, so it will turn round and round. And okay, let's open it, Thaddy. Come on.
I
Here,
don't-
this side, Thaddy. Come on, here.
Go to
here.
mommy's side, Thaddy.
Here.
Oh, excuse me, yes. How? Here.
Be careful. Be careful. Ta-da!
Oh, see.
What is that?
Me. Mommy, this thing, the sticky thing.
Hey, oh, look at the other side, Daddy. Look at the other side.
I told you we need the sticky tape.
That's the remote control there.
Right.
Yeah, there's a remote control in here.
This one.
Oh, you just put all the parts, Daddy, on the table, okay?
Yes.
Because we need to read the manual first on how to assemble this. And we're gonna show you guys when it's all, when one by one, how to assemble this stuff.
And this one. Oh no. Oh, wow. It's amazing. It's
It's
amazing.
amazing.
Oh.
Very huge.
It's why is it so it's make
Yeah, that's a remote control, Thaddy.
see there's a back. Okay. There we
Be
go.
careful with that one.
There we
You
go.
might lose some parts, Thaddy.
Yes.
Careful.
What's wrong? Why this is long? It's very long.
It's not long.
See?
Look
It's
at
like a giraffe.
Like a giraffe with a very long neck. Wow. Try not to pull because we need to read the manual first on how to
Aha! I
operate.
can fix it. I know the function. Then I need
And we go to the other side.
First I need to put this one. Yeah. First I
Very
need
good study, okay.
Mom, Daddy, what can I do?
Like part of the tower.
I can do.
I think it goes there.
Yay! What's that for?
Oh, there's another one. Look, there's another
Yeah,
one.
there's another one, Thaddy. Look.
Maybe it goes there.
No. Yeah. It's like this.
I don't know. Try with the other side.
I know, Kuya.
No, I don't know.
Check the manual.
I
We
can
have
do
to
it.
check the manual first.
Show this. Wait up.
Wow, Thaddy, look at that. Look at your forklift. It's very big.
Yes, it's a forklift.
Yes, it's very nice. And what does forklift do?
Forklift is
Lifting.
lifting pallets.
Oh, it lifts pallets. Look at that. So it means that forklift is very strong then.
Yeah, and there's a box.
So the box is very heavy.
Yeah.
And the forklift is able to carry that heavy box.
He's going to send this
Mm-hmm.
and the Costco.
In the warehouse.
In the warehouse, it's gonna send it to the Costco warehouse. Yeah, you're correct. Very good. And look at the forklift. It has its blinking lights.
Blinky lights.
Yeah, I think it's a
Yeah.
warning. It's a signal to other forklifts. So kids, did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to watch the second part of this video. And don't forget to click and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.